loving folk. We are on the road again. We are leaving Wisconsin-Illinois border, heading south to the fruiting line. Yeah, they're up in some spots of Wisconsin. Mostly to the west where it's warm by the Mississippi River. There are reports all over of people finding a few small morels. Do you want to go trample in the woods? No, you want to wait till they're up proper. So I'm going down to where that's happening, one of my honey holes. And we'll see what we can see. Take what we can do. Today on Tattooed Granny. Join me today for success and heartbreak on Tattooed Granny. So one of my honey holes can't get in it. $200 fine. Road closed to even get to the trailhead. Big bummer. Big sadness. So we're hiking this brand new trail here. Not really sure if it's any good, but sure are a few elms up in here. And dead ones. We're gonna check them. Okay. They're connected. And they're dead. I should push up even more mushrooms, but nothing. Sadly, this beautiful dead elm tree is being digested by both last year's yellow oysters and this year's 𝐌𝐔𝐒𝐑𝐑𝐄𝐋. Some people eat 𝐌𝐔𝐒𝐑𝐑𝐄𝐋, but they deliquesce. That means kind of turn black and gooey and release their spores pretty fast, so I don't pick them. Plus they don't taste like anything. So this guy's not going to produce any morels. I mean, 1 in 100 of them might have 1 or 2, but I'll pass it by now that I got up close. No good. And sometimes you find the perfect tree. Nobody's been in here. Not one mushroom though. Wow. That's the heartbreak of shrooming. Deal with it. And we call that shoulda, woulda, coulda. mushrooms, that big boy. Picked in here, so I know he's popped. I know he's popped. Ah, there's a little guy. Look at this little dude here. Look at him. Oh, he's tiny. Okay, first one of the day. Pretty small. Keep looking. Number 2. We're in them now. Big boy, number 3. Nice grays. Woo! Brother. They're small, but they'll eat just fine. Well, this is the season. Always gonna be little grays. Little baby gray. It's nice. Hello, this is Tattooed Granny. Look what I've got. We're in the grays now. My big boy is popping them out. Spring is here in central northern Illinois. This one is actually eating size. Oh yeah. Throw them in.
Throw them in.
Look for some more. They're up in here. Bong bong bing bing bing.
Bing, bing, bing. Bong, bong, bing, bing, bing.
This boy's gonna produce a few. Oh yeah. Small, mighty. You see the Morel? He's another big boy. Open it to Granny. Yeah. Granny.